After clearing the air conditioning drain line, schedule the next maintenance tasks immediately to prevent recurrence and protect system efficiency. Change the air filters right away using the correct size and minimum efficiency reporting value rated filter for your system. And mark the date so you replace or check them every month during heavy use seasons. Inspect the evaporator and condenser coils by removing the access panels and using a soft brush and coil cleaner. When coils are dirty, the system loses cooling capacity and runs longer, which increases wear. Clean the condensate pan and check for biofilm or sludge. Then flush with a dilute bleach solution or an enzyme cleaner to remove organic buildup that can clog the line again. Test the condensate float switch by lifting it manually to ensure the safety cutout engages, and that the switch connection is free of corrosion, because a failed float switch can allow overflow that damages ceilings and electrical components. Schedule a professional tune-up for the refrigerant charge and airflow measurement at least once a year, so technicians can detect subtle performance losses before they become breakdowns. Finally, set a calendar reminder for the next drain line inspection in 6 months and after heavy storm seasons, so you catch debris or tree root intrusion early. Common mistakes are assuming a new drain line is a lasting fix when the underlying cause remains. Make sure you address buildup sources and install a trap and accessible cleanout so maintenance is repeatable. Another issue is skipping filter changes because it seems minor. Neglecting filters increases coil dirt and forces the condensate system to work harder, so commit to a filter change schedule and keep spare filters on hand. People also forget to test the float switch or to clear the condensate pan drain pathway. Test the float during every service and clear the pan with a manual flush to verify proper flow rather than waiting for a leak. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate trusted local contractors and compare community feedback relevant to preventative maintenance tasks like these. And we provide tools for contractors to find work and showcase their services. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and pros share tips, schedules, and local service experiences to help plan extended maintenance.